women are known to be hypergamous. They want the best at all times. This also applies to their process of choosing guys. Women do not settle for less. They want the best guy in every circle or environment. And in this video, I'll tell you the kind of guy every woman wants. Some women might disagree with this, but that's why they are women. They do not always understand what they want. Sometimes they tell a guy to act in a certain way. When he does according to her request, she'll begin to lose attraction for him. That is because that particular act makes women lose attraction, but they do not know. And sometimes, even when they lose attraction, they can't really tell the exact reason they are losing interest. They just notice that they are losing interest in you and cannot help it. So it is normal for women to oppose what I'm about to tell you in this video, even when it's the plain truth. In fact, the kind of guy every woman wants is a man who has other women. All women want a man that other women want. This places her in competition anxiety and makes her loyal and cooperative with the guy, knowing that he can replace her at any moment with other girls around him. A man that has other girls is attractive to every woman because it shows that the guy has value and is pre-selected. Women always think that for another woman to want a guy, it shows that he has value. It shows that he is not weird and might be having a lot going on for him. This is why a girl can reject a guy's advances for weeks and even months, but once she notices that he goes out with other girls or hear other girls talking about liking him, she'll immediately reconsider her decision and give him a chance if he comes again, because other girls have pre-selected him for her. Another reason is that women are emotional and always need a guy that can trigger their emotions. When a guy has other girls, it triggers competition between her and the other girls, so she will want to do everything to have you. Women love to be in this position because it feeds their emotions. It gives them an emotional roller coaster, and any guy that is capable of triggering a woman's emotions will get her attention more. When a woman thinks about a guy often, she becomes attracted to him more. She easily becomes worried about him. Sometimes she even cries. Women love feeling this way. They love it when they are emotional, and it's mostly guys that have other girls that give them these emotions, because such guys are not thirsty. They will not fight for a woman's attention, so it's the woman that does all the work. Just makes their emotions busy and becomes more attached to the guy. In fact, women see guys who cannot stimulate their emotions as boring because they want to think. They want to get bothered. They want to compete for you, and you are not giving it to her. So she'll feel bored and will want to leave you for a guy that will stimulate her emotions, and that is the guy that has other women. So a guy that has other women is a guy every woman subconsciously wants. Do not let them tell you contrary stories. They do not know what they want. So if you want girls to desire you more from today, you need to have other girls. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment. See you in our next video.